Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you why filter function is more powerful and more useful than VLOOKUP function. So here I will show you what VLOOKUP function can do, and here I will show you what filter function can do. Okay, their pros and cons. Okay, so first I will use VLOOKUP function. So in VLOOKUP function, if you want to search any person's name uh, by their employee ID, you can use VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP only provide one, okay, only provide one result and clean result. So this is the pros of the VLOOKUP function. Okay, so what I have to do equals to, so I want to find out which employee's name or which employee has employee ID 104. Now this is a table array. Now one cons of the VLOOKUP is that you have the column should be in the right of the this search value we are lookup value we are adding. Okay, then call index number is 2. If it is in left, there will be no result. Okay, now I want exact match. So here you will see Kavita's employee ID is 104. Okay, so pros is that this VLOOKUP is available. VLOOKUP is available in every version of the Excel. Okay, and cons is this only shows one result and the column should be in the right. Okay, of the lookup value. Okay, so this is the cons of VLOOKUP function. Now I will show you what a filter function can do. Okay, so as I want to filter equals to, I have to use filter. Okay, now I want to find out every employee name whose department is IT. So what I have to do, just simply select the table, comma, include. So in include you have to select this department and equals to, now I want to find out the employee name whose department is IT. You have to inverted comma IT, then inverted comma close. Okay, so now you will see Neha, Kavita and Rohit is from department IT. If you change it from IT to HR, so as now you can see that filter function is more powerful than VLOOKUP functions. So pros are you can search multiple, okay, columns, or this will say a dynamic result. Okay, and cons is it is only available in Excel 2021 plus versions. Okay, so this is why you should use filter functions. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.